Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use omega-3 capsules. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for overall health, supporting your heart, brain, and eyes. We'll cover the two primary types, EPA and DHA, and discuss why they are so important. You'll also learn about the general recommended daily intake to help you get started on your wellness journey with confidence. For most adults, a daily intake of 250 to 500 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA is beneficial. It's best to take your capsules with a meal, as the fats in your food help your body absorb the omega-3 more effectively. If you find a single dose too much, consider splitting it into two smaller doses throughout your day for better comfort. When choosing an omega-3 supplement, prioritize quality. Always look for products that have been third-party tested, ensuring purity and potency without harmful contaminants. Check the label for a high concentration of both EPA and DHA, as these are the most beneficial forms. An enteric coating can also be a great feature, helping to minimize any unpleasant fishy aftertaste. Before incorporating omega-3 capsules into your routine, it's always wise to consult your healthcare provider, especially if you have existing conditions or take other medications. While generally safe, some people might experience mild side effects such as stomach upset or a fishy aftertaste. To maintain their effectiveness, store your capsules properly in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.